Good morning, class 6. Today we will read the chapter Who I Am. I have explained you the introduction we have done in the previous class. So let's begin with the chapter. In this lesson, we look at what we are like and how each of us is different. We are all interesting people in different ways, and we are all good at different things. As you read this, think about what you are like and what you enjoy doing. So obviously there are different students in the class. Some of you might love to play cricket, some of you like to play chess, some of you are very good at studies, some of you are good at speaking, they have good speaking skills, they are good orators. So there are different people with different qualities, you can say. Let's see many voices. Radha, my favorite activity is climbing trees. Just outside our house, there is a mango tree, which I love to go up. Its branches spread out. So it is simple to climb up the tree, and I can sit comfortably in the fork of two branches. My mother tells me it is not sensible for girls to climb trees. But one afternoon she climbed up too, and both of us sat there talking and eating raw mangoes. When I am high up in the air, I feel like I can rule the whole world. So, this girl, whose name is Radha, she tells us that her favorite activity or favorite time pass is to climb the tree, which is just outside her house, and it's a mango tree. Although her mother keeps on telling her that it's not good, that girls should not be climbing the tree, it's not very sensible. Why? Because the society will not appreciate it. But one fine day her mother also accompanied her, and both of them sat on the fork. You can understand, it's like when the two branches are separately coming off the trunk, it looks like a fork. So they were sitting there and eating, or you can say enjoying the raw mangoes. They talked there, and she feels that when she's sitting there, she feels that she is above the whole world. Then we will talk about Nasir. When I grow up, I want to become a seed collector. We have cotton fields in our village, and every year my father spends a lot of money on buying new seeds to grow our cotton plants. My grandfather told me that many years ago he could collect the seeds from his own plants, which could be sown to grow new plants during the next year. But today that doesn't work, so we have to spend money to buy new seeds every single year. I want to find out why that is so. I want to learn how to preserve seeds so that we can use them again and not spend money every year. So Nasir is telling us that he wants to become a seed collector. The reason is that he has seen that his father spends a lot of money in buying the new seeds for the cotton plants. But his grandfather told him, or keeps on telling him, that many years ago what he did was he collected the seeds from his own plants and kept it, preserved it, and every year he used it. But then now it is not feasible, now it is not possible. So every year his father has to spend a lot of money on purchasing the seeds. So he wants to find out the reason why he cannot preserve the seed now and use it next year, and not invest lot of money in purchasing the seeds again. Then Rohit, if I had a huge amount of money, I would travel and travel. I want to see the mountains of New Zealand because they looked beautiful in a magazine picture. I wish I could sail down the Amazon River in South America on a raft. I want to live on the beaches of Lakshadweep and dive down to see coral. I suppose I should go to the Konark Temple in Orissa, or the old city in Beijing in China, and the pyramids in Egypt too. But what I actually enjoy is seeing nature more than any old buildings. So this boy Rohit, he's, you can make out that he's very fond of traveling. So there are many places which he wishes to visit. One of them is New Zealand, where he wants to go and see the mountains there. Then and this picture he has seen in a magazine, which has fascinated him a lot, and therefore he wishes to go there. Then he wants to sail down the Amazon River in South America in the raft. He wants to live on the beaches near the Lakshadweep, go inside the sea, swim inside the sea and see the corals there. Then he wishes to go to the Konark temple in Orissa, visit the old city in Beijing in China, and of course the pyramids in Egypt. But the most amazing thing, or the thing which fascinates him, is seeing the nature than the old buildings. In comparison, he would love to spend time in seeing the nature. Then Sarbjeet. What makes me very angry is when people don't believe me when I am telling the truth. For example, if I tell my teacher that I couldn't do my homework because Ravi borrowed my book and forgot to return it, or I tell my parents that it wasn't me but my little brother who started the fight, or if I tell my teacher that I really did study for the test even if I have got bad marks, they all look at me as if they think I am telling lies. Sometimes I have to look down at my shoes and count to 10 so that I do not show that I am angry. So Sarabjit is saying that something which he doesn't like is when people don't believe him. He is giving example, like if he tells his teacher that his friend Ravi has taken his book and has forgotten to return it to him, therefore he was not able to complete his work, or if he has not scored well in the test, that doesn't mean that he has not studied. He wants to tell them that he has studied, but there might be some other reason why he couldn't do well. Then he gets angry when his parents don't believe that he was not the one who has instigated the fight, but the younger brother. So he feels that people should have trust on him. When he is telling the truth, people shouldn't feel that he is the one who is telling a lie. Then we will talk about, after Sarabjit, we will be talking about, Dolma. When I grow up, I am going to be the Prime Minister of India. People always laugh when I say that, but I am sure that I will do it. Everyone in my class asks me what to do when they have a problem, and my teacher always trusts me when something needs to be done in school. I want to make things better for everyone. I want us to have good hospitals and roads and schools. I want to make sure that there are many good scientists in India who will invent cures for diseases and send a spaceship to Mars. So this girl Dolma, she wants to become the prime minister when she grows up. She says that people don't believe her. They find it very funny when she says that she wants to be the prime minister. But she says that she is very sure that she wants to do that. She wants to become the prime minister. She is giving us the reason that if there is some problem in the class, students come up to him to get the solution to the problem. Then the teacher trusts her for everything. If something is to be done in the school, she wants that, when she becomes the prime minister, she wants good hospitals, roads, and schools to be made up. And of course, one more thing, she wants a spaceship to be sent to Mars, and she wishes that scientists should work for inventing cures for the diseases which are still incurable. Then comes Peter. My favorite day is the second Sunday of every month. On this day, our whole family always goes to the cinema hall to see a film. My father gets the tickets in advance, and all of us, my grandmother, my parents, my two brothers, and I, take the bus there. In the interval, my father buys us peanuts, and I love to sit in the darkness of the hall, eating and watching the film. Afterwards, we always stop to eat ice cream. Everyone is in a good mood, and we all feel very lucky that we are such a happy family. So, Peter loves the second Sunday of every month. The reason is because that day his whole family, that is, his father, who has bought the tickets in advance, takes him along with his grandmother, his parents, his siblings. They all go in a bus. And in the interval, in the recess of the movie, they buy peanuts and after watching the movie, they have go out and have the ice cream. Everybody is very happy because it's like a family get together. Everybody goes out, they enjoy watching the movie together, and then they spend some quality time and having the ice cream, and then they come home. So that shows that it is their happy family. That's all in this chapter. Class, we will not be doing part 2, that is multiple intelligences. So questions will not be asked from that part. Take care of yourselves, be safe at home. Do the question answers which I will be sending along with the along with the video. Thank you. Be safe at home.